Hey, beautiful babes. Sweet Angel here. How are y'all today? Well, listen, I'm good if you ask the question, okay? Sunday reset. Just been busy doing a little laundry, getting things in order to kick off this year the right way. And I just got some Amazon packages, so I just thought maybe I'll open them up with y'all, because I know one of my Christmas presents from Mike came today, so I'm excited about that because I've been waiting on it, and we're gonna do that. That's about it, y'all. That's about it. Waiting on a couple of things tomorrow that's coming from Amazon that I had ordered, because we are going to get back on Sweet Angel TV on my fashion stuff. I've been slacking these last couple of days because, girl, that ain't been on the agenda, but we're gonna get back busy on it. I am so revving up for that. So let's get into these packages. How about we do that first? Okay, yeah. All right, if you see in the background, like down in the corner there, that is another juicer that I got that I'm going to be testing out. So y'all stay tuned for that. I just gotta figure out some recipes that I want to whip up, so I want to share them with y'all. But more than likely, will I do it on this channel? I'm not sure. I may do it on Beauty by Sweet Angel. I'm just trying to get it all together. I got so many channels, y'all. That's the fun part of life right now. So I'm excited to try it out and get into the juicing thing. So we got our first package here, and we're just going to open it up. Y'all, by far my favorite lip gloss right about now. I have been looking for a wonderful lip gloss. These, you can get them on Amazon or TikTok or wherever, but you can get them on Amazon. I know right now they were a little or nothing, and I ordered 3 clear. These are the LA Colors High Shine Lip Gloss, and they are so moisturizing. I think they have shea butter in them, as well as, I want to say, vitamin E. But they are super moisturizing, and I love them on my lips. I also put them on my lips at night for like a little lip mask at night. Love them so much, but this is what that is. And I went ahead and stocked up on 3. Y'all, I kid you not, I'm going in hard with these lip glosses, and I think I have probably 2 more around somewhere. Probably one in my purse and one in the bathroom that I use after I take my shower or whatever and I'm doing my lips. But yeah, she in business, big business with me. But yeah, that is a lip gloss. Girl, look, I ain't spending an arm and a leg for a lip gloss when I know I can get them for the low, baby. That's where I'm at. Okay. She kind of big package. What's in here? Oh my gosh. This is what I've been waiting on. We're going to save this for last, okay? Because I want to change the camera angle and all of that. I can't believe they didn't put this in a box. Like this in a box, but I would think they would have protected it more in another box. But this is my new lens, y'all. I'm so excited. Y'all know I've been using the big head lens for a minute now, and I was just over it, so over it. But right now I'm on my phone camera, so yeah. All right, I had to re-up on my Face Shop Rice Water Foaming Cleanser, Rice Water Bright. This is the best, y'all. Y'all know I've been using this forever. Now, this is a little bit different packaging, but same thing, same goodness, same everything in there. All right, I have a little pink top here. That's from the seller Pretty Garden on Amazon. And let me just show y'all what it looks like. Already have this one. Honestly speaking, the other one came damaged and I didn't send it back. I actually have worn it, so I'm not going to send it back. I'm probably just going to fix and repair the little glitch on it. But these are so soft, and they got these little bell sleeves to them, and it's a ribbed fabric, if you can kind of see that, but it has a little weight on it, and I love it. Also has the ruching on the side for, you know, give you that sunken effect. okay, baby. What's wrong? You want to lay on your bed in here with me? Alright, so Royal's here. Can you pick it up? It's too heavy for you? You want to open that? Okay, let's see what's inside of here. I don't think it's anything for you, though. But we'll open it, okay?
Well,
Box.
What's that?
What's that? That's my TV. Yeah. So, let's see. She handed me this box here. Oh, okay. It's the hair products.
Tape. You got tape.
I do. Where is it? Where is it? Where's my tape? Oh, you know what? It may be on my desk in there because I had to tape my stand.
Move it out of the way.
I'm not finished, so I'm just trying to record right now. Look on my desk in there.
Okay.
Alright, this is a caftan. So something new for grandma to sleep in or lounge in. And believe it or not, I don't think I've ever ordered something that has leopard print on it. So today, guess what she has? A leopard print caftan. How about that, Royal? You like that? So y'all are going to see plenty of this all around on this camera. Yeah. And inside of here, let's see what we have. Oh, you know, when I did my charcuterie board, I did not have all the little goodies to go with it. So, you know, I had to do my thing because that charcuterie board was the business. I enjoyed it so much. But now I have the little utensils to go with it right here. Yeah. This is going to make all the difference. So I have some little tongs. Yeah. So cute. I think that's adorable. Okay. And if you want some honey on your charcuterie board, the little honey stirrers here, or whatever you call that. We have the little spread knives here. So cute. I love this. This is going to make me want to entertain even more. Okay. And it came with 4 of these. Also the little forks. You know, for picking up your olives, your strawberries, and so forth. Yeah, baby, sit down. 4 of those little forks. Teeny tiny. And we have the little spoons. Oh, so cute. So cute. So little. So a box full of that goody stuff there. And hold on now. And I re-upped on my Lotta Body. This is one of my most favorite mousse. I caught them on special, so that's why I got the 4. I can't remember the price on them, but I will have these all linked in the description box for y'all. Okay? And girl, I don't know what happened to my tea stirring spoons and stuff like that, but I ended up getting 4 tea stirring spoons, if that's what you call them. I call them teaspoons, but they're not really like teaspoons, but they're tea and coffee spoons, like, yeah, like that. Trash. You can tell it's the beginning of the year. I always think of little things that I need for the house or the kitchen and things. So yeah, we got that covered today.
I love you.
I love you too. Trash. Okay, hand me another package. Give me that one, the brown one. Give it to me. Thank you. Thank you. All right, we have another one here. Let's see what we got. What we got? Let's see. Open. 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 All right, I do have these 3D massagers. I started doing facial massages, and I'm going to demonstrate that on Beauty by Sweet Angel, so y'all stick and stay for that. But I have 2 of these. They were on special, y'all. I know I have one, but I wanted everything to be consistent on my face. So this is what we're going to be doing right here. So they'll be linked below, but I'm going to share with y'all how I'm going to use these on Beauty by Sweet Angel. Okay, we'll just open one of them and let y'all see what you see. If that's okay. Is that okay with you, Royal? That's okay? Yeah. Say yes, ma'am. So cute. So cute. All right, it has the little instructions here. And this is what it looks like. It is big. Now the one that I have, it's big as well, but not quite this big. So I'm gonna disinfect these before I put them on my face. But these are not the metal like the other one is. So they were affordable. And it also came with a gua sha. Can you say gua sha? So it came as a set. Yep, I like that. I love that. So nice. Okay. So nice. I'm just gonna pop that in like that. All right. Okay. Royal, hand me the white bag. Hand that to me so I can open it. Give it to Grandma. Thank you. Give me that. Thank you. You're so sweet. And the last one here. What do we have? Oh, it's a new year, y'all. You know it's a new year, right? We said Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Can you say Happy New Year?
Happy New Year.
Whoa, thank you. And this is what we're going to have. Best year ever. I'm going to put this on my little tray that I have on my counter. Yeah, just to remind myself what it's going to be. And it is already. Yes, indeed. Okay, that is it for the Amazon haul. And now we are going to let you see what you see. Okay, right now I'm going to switch over to my big dog camera. Okay. All right, big dog camera. This is what y'all been looking at. I have to get so far back in order to get my full face in the frame. That's a 50mm lens on there. So we are converting over to a 24mm. Okay, so I'm going to switch it out and I want y'all to see what it's gonna look like. Okay, so let me open it here. And this was not cheap. I am always floored at the price of these lenses for cameras and stuff, y'all. I mean, they pretty much cost just as much as the camera do. And I pray I got the right one. That's the other thing I was worried about. I started to go to a camera shop, but I'm like, well, you can always take it back. All right, that is what it looks like right here. from the side angle. All right. And it has autofocus and manual focus on it. Okay, but as you can see, that 50mm is awesome when you're doing stuff like this. It zooms in perfectly. It does, and I love that. And we're just going to take this off, and that is what it looks like there. And we're going to pop her on. So I'm going to turn off the big camera for just a second. Okay. And we're going to put this one on. Okay. Now I'm confused about the lineup because the lineup's different. Okay. Is it going to work for me? Autofocus. Let's see. Is it just too dark in here or what? I don't know what's going on. She blurred. What? We're gonna have to get it fixed. I mean, well, fixed right. But anyway, I'm out of here, y'all. I'm going to work on this because I'm super excited about my new lens. So we're gonna have to work on that. Okay. But I will catch y'all in the next one. And I'm gonna get my mess cleaned up that I just unraveled here. But I will see y'all in the next one. Take care, beautiful babies. Bye.
Now the sun is shining. There's a brand new me. I've been broke.